A singly linked list is a linear data structure where each element, that is the node in the linked list, contains data and a pointer to only the next node in the sequence. Singly linked lists are unidirectional, meaning you can only traverse the list from the head, which is the first node, to the tail, which is the last node. Each node contains a pointer or reference that points to the next node in the list. Now let's look at a doubly linked list. A doubly linked list is a type of linked list where each node contains a data feed and two pointers, one pointing to the previous node and another pointer which is pointing to the next node in the sequence. This structure allows for bidirectional traversal, meaning you can move both forward and backward through the list. Doubly linked list allows for faster insertions and deletions compared to singly linked lists, especially when dealing with elements in the middle of the list. The ability to traverse backward is useful in various applications, such as implementing undo/redo functionality or navigating through a browser history. Doubly linked lists require more memory per node compared to singly linked lists due to the extra previous pointer that points to the previous node in the sequence. Their implementation and maintenance can also be slightly more complex than singly linked lists. Let's look at a circular linked list. A circular linked list is a variation of a traditional linked list where the last node in the list always points back to the first node in the list instead of pointing to null. This creates a continuous loop of interconnected nodes. The defining feature is the connection of the last node to the first node. This forms a closed loop. Unlike a linear linked list, there is no null pointer at the end of the list, as the list always cycles back to its beginning. Traversal can be initiated from any node and can continue indefinitely, returning to the starting point. You can also have a circular singly linked list where the last node's next pointer points to the first node, and you can have a circular doubly linked list where the last node's next pointer always points to the first node and the first node's previous pointer is pointing back to the last node, allowing for traversal in both directions.